What is up, you guys? I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about automation points inside Cubase.
Watch me take control.
First things first, let's create a few points. If you are doing this stuff and you're noticing that they're not sticking to the grid and it's hard to control, it's hard to do this stuff in a straight line and you end up with something like this, then you need to go into another place. You need to go up here on the grid, select the grid, and that thing is going to light up the snap on and off. You can snap it now to the grid, but I still have an issue. You see that here, this point, and here relative to this one, this is lower, this is a little bit higher. So how do I manage to do them horizontally so that they don't move? And that's super, super easy to do. Let's do it again. I'm going to put my second point here. If it moves a little bit, I just hit Command, and that's what's going to do. Actually, if it moves, I just hit Command, and with Command press, you can move left and right, up and down. It's not going to do anything. It's going to snap exactly into the middle, right? So you just need to snap it to whatever it is, and you're going to get flawless points just like that, okay? As you can see here, between points, you're going to get a quick control right here on top that allows you to do this kind of volume automation right away without having to select anything like 2 points to go down in this way. You don't have to do any of that. Automatically, as soon as 2 points are created, you're going to get this quick controls on top, so you can actually do that. If you need to do more specific automation, I like to use the range tool, and then you will have a series of points on top, on the corners, and on the middle that are going to allow you to do more specific tasks. I'm going to create 2 more automation points right here. Hit Command, so it's snapping perfectly here. With those 2 points selected, I have these controls. Let me hover over the top left corner. That's tilt left. If I click on it and I go down or up, automatically it's going to create that extra point. It's going to do that automation. Same with the top right corner. Same thing. The middle one is going to scale this vertically. That means that I can go down or up as I please. And the one on the middle right here, it's going to do this operation right there. Now, with all of these controls, there's an extra hidden feature here that nobody told you about. And I'm going to tell you right now. If you hover over it and you click Option and you keep it pressed, that thing change. And now you have a different set of automation here that is more tailored to more specific changes that you want to do. It's not going to go more than that because it's going to compress the data based on the horizontal line. Same with the right. If I hover over and click Option and keep it pressed, it's going to do that. It's not going to go lower. If I do the same here on the middle, it's going to change. It's going to do that operation as well. Now, between points, you're going to see circles, and those are for curves. And once you press on them, you can create curves. You can create smooth automations with this. If you want to reset them, all you need to do is double click on top of it, and it's going to reset. With the range tool selected here, I hope you have it like this, combine selection and the range tool. You can hover over any section of your automation tracks, select where you want the automation and click on any of those points. And it's going to automatically create 2 points for you to work on them. And from there, you can just, do the scaling vertically. You can do all these operations right here. Now to delete, I always select from the bottom to the top because I don't want to go ahead and do this operation. If I do this and I try to delete, it's still going to leave points there. If I want to delete all the points, I need to select from the bottom to the top. And that's because I have this combine selection tools active. If I do the same, but I disable the selection and range tool together, I can select from the top to the bottom, and you can definitely have it like that. I just like to have the two combined because it's easier to select a range here and just do an automation really quick. And especially when you have a section of the song that you want to do specific automation, this is snapping exactly to where I want it to be. And I want this whole section lower in volume. I just go ahead and do that. Super, super easy and convenient to do that. Just a few basic stuff to get you started with Cubase, to do this automation points, to get the most out of them. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any other video from us. And see you in the next one, guys.